Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. What you see in the beginning will help you greatly in your electrical work. This is the diagram of the project. So let's take a look at the process of making it step by step. To make this, we collected a discarded electric meter. This pole is connected to the phase of the main supply and the latter to the neutral. And then the neutral out from the third pole and the phase line out from the fourth pole, and electricity is supplied to houses. Now I will open it. Let me show you one more meter to convince you. You can make it with any electric meter. The supply system inside each meter will be found to be the same. I am taking off all the poles on the supply line. Now taking apart the circuit module along with the display. It is mini current transformer, abbreviated as CT. To put everything in a box, I took an unused medium-sized weight scale box. I took everything out of it as I didn't need anything inside it. With everything separated from the meter box, I now mark all the terminals so that no connection goes wrong. I have now done the necessary design to replace the display and install the 2-pin electric socket, switch, holder, etc. 220 volt regulated supply from right side socket. Any electrical device can be regulated and used with it. In addition, 220 volts will be provided in the middle line, which will be a switch, and electric resistance in the middle holder will be out through the socket. It is a USB socket, which will output 5 volts. The USB socket is installed. A 10 amp switch is installed for USB switching. The round switch shall be placed to turn on and off the 220 volt series line. Then all the 2-pin sockets are installed. The sockets on the left side will supply 220 volts directly. In the middle holder, I will use 200 watt bulb resistor as conductor. The output socket can be used to fix any electrical device, leaving the 2-pin plug exposed. 200 watt bulbs are more commonly used when using series boards. In this box, I used a 3S battery case to charge a 3.7 volt lithium-ion battery and output from it 5 volt USB and 12 volt DC output. To charge a 3S or 12 volt lithium battery, I took a 3S lithium battery charge module. The connection diagram of this module is given in the video. Connections are given as per diagram. Once everything was done, I placed the battery module under the box. Again, the complete diagram of today's project is shown. Here, the main supply phase line is connected through each switch to 1 pin of each socket and 12 volt SMPS circuit. It is a 12 volt SMPS transformer module. I will put the circuit inside separately in the box. Now we will supply 5 volts to USB using LM7805 IC. The diagram is shown. A connection from the output pole of the electric meter is inputted through a fuse. The other is directly connected to all sockets and other parts. Now I put the input pole of the meter in the empty space between the two boxes and fixed it with glue. Fixed the bulb holder and DC 12-volt output female socket in the box. I took a 2-pin plug and connected its 2 wires to the input pole of the meter. I rechecked all the internal connections and screwed the box cover. Now I have supplied electricity to the project. Great, it's on. All readings are showing on the meter display. From the display we will be able to see the calculation of electricity consumption, wattage, ampere, etc. of the appliance while using the electrical appliance. All in all, I will benefit a lot from today's project, checking its current flow, ampere, watts from the meter display by plugging in a soldering iron. Now plugging in a hot melt glue gun and checking its current flow, amps, watts from the meter display. Now I turned on the 12-volt module, and after checking its output voltage it shows 12 volts. 12-volt cooling fan is running normally. I put the 200-watt bulb in the holder to check the series line. The series line is verified by touching the 2 wires with the 2-pin plug to the front 2-pin female socket. Care must be taken in this case to remember that the excess exposed wire of the series line does not touch the body in any way. Accidents will happen if touched. Checking mobile charge with mobile data cable to verify USB voltage.
Charging through USB.
Checking the operation by connecting an angle grinder to the right side regulated socket. It is highly regulated. Such devices can be made using the direct female 2-pin socket on the left side, but to test the regulator I used the right side line. How is the video and how to make it better? You can write your opinion in the comment section. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to press like button and share to your friends. Stay tuned by subscribing to my channel and press the bell button to get the next video.